Welcome to Physics Fundamentals, Unlocking the Universe. In this video, we'll explore the essential concepts that govern our world. Physics is the study of matter, energy, and fundamental forces. It helps us understand the world around us, from the smallest atoms to the vastness of space. A force is a push or pull that changes in object's motion or shape. Forces can be measured in newtons. Motion is the change in an object's position over time. Velocity is the speed and direction of motion, while acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. Mass is the amount of matter in an object, while weight is the force due to gravity acting on that mass. Energy is the ability to do work, available in various forms: kinetic, potential, thermal, and more. Work is force applied to move an object, causing displacement. It's measured in joules. Friction is the force resisting an object's motion on a surface. It opposes motion and converts energy into heat. Gravity is the force of attraction between two masses. It's what keeps us grounded and what holds planets in orbit. Inertia is an object's resistance to changes in motion. It's the tendency to maintain its state. Magnetism is the attraction or repulsion between materials due to atomic alignment. Electric charge is a positive or negative property of matter. It's what drives electric currents. A circuit is a closed path for electric current flow, powering devices. That's a wrap on physics fundamentals. These concepts form the foundation of our understanding of the universe. Thanks for watching Pathfinder 6. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.